Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to apply the drop-down menu, in Excel and how to use some if function. So let's start with the video. So here I want to apply the drop-down list. So how will you apply the drop-down list? To apply the drop-down list, here you have to click on Data tab. Click on Data tab Click on Data tab and click on Data Validation Tool in Data Tools group and then click on Data Validation. So as soon as you click on Data Validation, you will get here three tabs: Settings, Input Message and Error Alert. So you have to click on Settings. Default settings will be selected. In settings, you have the option called validation criteria. So here you have to click on allow. In allow, you have to choose list. Just click on list. And here you have to select the source. Now, what is the source? What source you have to select? To select the source, you have to click on here items. So select items and then click on OK. Click on OK. So as soon as you select here, uh, here you can choose the drop down arrow. Now here from this you can choose the items. So this is the way you can insert the drop down list in your Excel. So friends, I hope it's clear. So here you can increase the size and then if you want you can select the color also. So like this you can apply the drop down list for your items. Now next, how will you apply the Sumif function? So here, say suppose here you have this data with you and here I want to select the price of each item. I want to see the price of each item. So suppose if you have huge amount of data, in such cases it's very difficult to check each and every item's price, right? So here just if by selecting the name of the item you will get the price here. So what will you do for that? So here I will say the formula I will give is equal to sum if and then range. So here the range is items, right? So select the item range and then comma and then criteria. So the criteria here is the cell I'm selecting where I have given the drop down list. That is criteria, comma, and here I want to select the price. So I will say price and just close the bracket and press enter key. So here the price of monitor is 300. So just check yes, right? So like this you can apply the SUMIF formula here to find out the price of each item. Now here you want to find out the price of pen drives. So here it is showing 90 rupees. So pen drives, yes, 90, right? And then if you want to select speakers, where are the speakers here? Here it is. It is 200, right? So like this, you can choose the each price of the item. So friends, I hope it's clear how to apply the drop down list and how to apply the SUMIF function in Excel. So thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share it.